In today's video, I am going to teach you how to remove Wix banner. To begin, log into your Wix account and go to the My Sites area. This is the main dashboard where all of your website projects are listed. If you manage more than one site, take a moment to make sure you are choosing the correct one before moving forward. This helps you avoid making changes to the wrong website. Once you are on the My Sites page, find the specific website project you want to manage and select it. This will open the management view for that site. From here, you will be able to access the tools needed to make updates to your website. Next, open the Visual Site Editor. This is the workspace where you can view your website layout and make changes directly on the page. The editor gives you a live visual canvas, so you can work on your site in a clear and straightforward way. If the editor takes a few moments to load, just wait until everything is fully visible before continuing. That way, you can easily locate the controls you need. After the editor opens, look toward the top right corner of the screen. You should see the blue Publish button in the toolbar. Click Publish to apply your current site version live. In this process, publishing removes the top ad banner for visitors on your live site. This means the change is made globally, so people visiting your published website will no longer see that Wix banner at the top. It is important to understand that this change affects the live version of your website, not just the editor view. So after publishing, your visitors will see the updated version right away. If you want to confirm the change, you can open your live site in a new tab and check the top of the page to make sure the banner is gone. That is really all you need to do. Log into Wix, go to My Sites, select the correct website, open the editor, and click Publish. This is a quick process, and once completed, your live site should display without the top Wix banner. That covers everything you need to know.